Hello, and they have a solve Leetcode number 81, search rotated array 2. My solve search rotated array 1 did that. And a question was very similar to it, right? And almost in array be a increasing, increasing order. But before I be processing, I'm rotate array, right? So my example we to say, we to say, right? 4, 5, 6, 6, 7. Now for the must rotate about 1, 0, 1, 2, 4, 4, right? And anytime beyond the case of my some sort of a sorted array, and you say no more case and should be from you issue binary search algo, right? It's binary search algorithm. Binary search algorithm basically, like index near 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? You will find the midpoint. Into midpoint in the BTC be 0 plus 9 divided by 2, right? Integer be 5, right? Into maybe my target be to say it's a target in a folly between a left side, right? Let's see here, left side and a right side. So a folly between left side, I be move right side number has right? So folly on the right side was is why I be move left number has it. Be move left no. About 2 has right? Now right now has right? Into your one say I be search has in your one say I be search has but before I be say search was and see make sure say the case be increasing order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? The left value is always less than the right value. Inti. So what I say is well, see a check is there. I say no such as here, right? Now, answer ya hwehwem was right? Inti basically in the way the binary search algorithm of log n time complexity any other person always have question with. Main thing you need to know is a sorted array, and I'm say find a target number be you be use binary search. The only difference what we want to say almost say numbers no, which are duplicates, right? Your 6 6 was and your 4 4 was right? Indeed. The way I handle duplicates is if you are so drew midpoint, if you as a midpoint no, and then left side equal, it means fit midpoint now be see value midpoint value now fit left side now be see midpoint value numbers near the same indeed. So move left and kakran until say left and the midpoint in the same view and sana watch so right. So that is the only trick additional tricks out of the binary search no, right? Now they are solve that question. In the yanko share the way bit to solve that question, right? So you get your left pointer be equal to 0, your right is at the end of the list, the index, the last index, right? Into while left is less than or equal to right, mid index no left plus right divided by 2, right? You pay integer value and pay decimal value in we no double, right? If number at the mid index no a equal to target now, right? You return it true, and then the right? Say the number our left no a equal to mid now move left no any back. Now continue. Okay. In another way, it says a increasing section of an array, right? If nums left a less than or equal to nums mid are, right? It means a increasing side, like I make saying left no always greater than right. It means a increasing side of the array. Intino. I will check you if right the number of the lefts the target no a between left and mid side area, right? It be issue right no equal to mid minus 1. Else left be equal to mid plus 1. Right, and yes, else if I want the right side right, if I mid target is between the midpoint and then the right side now. Right, left never shift it. Else right never go to mid minus 1. So we are not aware who value now, you just return false. Okay, and to say and I'll be solve it. So let me see if we are left like this. Nums left, nums right, boom boom boom. Okay, yeah, okay. Right, and to say any solve rotated array with duplicates, right? Same has come. You know, your nums here targets. Then I'm gonna say has it, right? You know, left is 0, right is 0, left is less than or equal to right, midpoint left plus right divided by 2. If midpoint is equal to target, I return true. If mid left, if numbers at left are equal to numbers at mid, left in the plus 1, no, I'll continue. If numbers at left are less than or equal to numbers at mid, no numbers at left, no, less, target is between the two, right, mid minus 1, left mid plus 1. Else, if mid, okay, numbers right, we, and I'm a problem about we. Or say the numbers at right. So numbers at right. Okay. All right. Inti say any solve. Rotated array 2. Or question be photo comment section. I will do my best to answer it. Right. Inti. That's it. Like I say,